Welcome to all. This is Venkatraman. Today, in this video, we are going to see the stock tracker with PE and the news of four mid-cap companies. See, what is the PE? PE is the price earnings to ratio. That is current market price of the company, how many times it relates to EPS. EPS, what is the EPS? EPS is the income generated by the company less dividends and divided by the number of shareholders outstanding as on date. And we need not worry about all these things. The calculation, the company will record the EPS every quarter. Otherwise, many websites are there, Money Control and Skinner.in, like that websites are there, where take the we can see the EPS of a company. So, in that way, today we are going to see the four stocks and we will track this here. Next week we will see what happens to these stocks, how the PE. See, PE, in that PE, it is the price earnings is that market price divided by EPS. So, normally the EPS is very important. If the EPS downs or EPS is degraded, then we have to be careful how many times the price increases. Normally, the EPS will not go down, but sometimes it may go down drastically. At that time, we have to be very careful because the price divided by EPS is the PE ratio. Price is the daily movement of the share price. It may be due to the global news or our Indian market news or sector specific news. So that market price changes very daily. So, but in the case of EPS, earnings per share, the company is declaring the results and there won't be any drastic reduction in EPS. If there is a drastic reduction in EPS, we have to be careful and analyze that why that earnings per share has decreased. So we will see the chart now through Skinner.in portal. And now we will go to the Skinner.in portal. Now we will see the Max Healthcare Institute Limited. And what its current price is 870 market price. So we will go to the chart. See here the price is given and the PE ratio also given. So first we will go to the PE ratio of the company. The PE ratio of the company is constant. If you see that it is 10.88, 10.88, 10.88. But in the case of price, how many times this PE is increasing? 70 times, 74 times, then now it is 82 times. So what is the price of this stock? See, it has 888, 883 price. So this EPS is the same, 10.88. This quarter may also 10.88 and this quarter also 10.88. So no change in the EPS of the company, but the price multiples, that is PE ratio, is here 80.4. Here 74. Now it has increased. So as on date, it is 80 times. So the EPS is the same. It is 10.88. Here only it has become EPS has decreased. So we got to be careful, and we got to see that the average PE is of the company here. You can see that 40 times. So now the EPS is 80 times. So it has doubled. So one can wait for the company to correct itself, then we can go for purchase. It is my only suggestion. It is only an idea. It is not a recommendation. It is in no way responsible. I am responsible for it. Just I am telling, I am educating you to see the PE of the company, how it has increased. Now we will go to the next company, RVNL, that is Rail Vikas Nigam Limited. So here the current market price is 554. So now we will go to the chart. We will see the PE ratio of the company. The PE ratio is 7.02 last quarter. This quarter also 7.02. 7.02. This is 6.59. So 39 times it has increased, but it is 7.02. But it is 87 times. So here it is 43, 44 times. So PE has this has a 7.02% success. So we have to be careful that here 6.59, it is 7.02. So current quarter, but it is the previous quarter 7.02, 6.59 from it is EPS has increased. So it is increasing the trend. This quarter we have to see that as on 12th July only it has come, and as on 4th it is 85 times the PE. So that is the what is the price now? The price now is 518.15. So the PE ratio is 85 times. So whenever the PE is higher above 80 and above, one can wait for the correction. This is my only an idea. It is not a recommendation or anything. I am not responsible for it. So RVNL, this is for RVNL. Next, we will go to the another company, Indus Towers. So Indus Towers, if we see the chart, PE ratio with relate to them, that is 22.4, EPS 20.71, 13. So EPS has increased, that the price has decreased here. In the case of present circumstances, what is the EPS? It is 22, 15 times. Here EPS is 13 times, 10 times. But here 17 times, 18 times. So the PE, it is 22.4 EPS announced, but it is 19 times. Now the present EPS is 24.34, and it is 16 times. So we can wait for the correction in Indus Towers also. It is only a sad idea, that's all. Now we will go to the next stock, that is Phenolux cables. We will go to the chart. We will see the PE ratio of the company. EPS 42, 42, 42.861, 42.61. So it is 36 times, 30 times, 21 times. So average PE ratio, if you see that now the EPS has increased to 48.07. So the company is increasing. So what is the present price of the Phenolax cables? It is 1478. So it is a present day is how many times this EPS? 30 times. What is the average? 25, 21, 30 times only at this point of time. EPS at the time of EPS is 32. So this interest hours we can wait for the correction and we can buy here. This is my only my suggestion only. So in that way we have to calculate the EPS in relation to the price. That is PE ratio, price divided by earnings per share. Here the price will change daily, whereas the EPS will change only at the quarterly results only. So which is important means that is EPS is important, and we have to see that because price will vary according to the situation, current trend. Every if all stocks are down, this stock will also go down, but we have to be carefully monitor that EPS should not go down. If it goes down drastically, then there is something relates to the company and we have to analyze it. These four stocks, we will see what happens next week with the news in general, as well as the our trend and the market news, global trend, current trend, and the sector trend, and stock specific news. We will see next week how it behaves. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.